Something has changed at your job, and it's not in your favor. No one said anything, no warning, no meeting, but somehow you can feel it. If you've started noticing you're being left out, your role feels smaller, people treat you differently, then this video is exactly what you need right now. Because what's happening is not random. There's a strategy companies use where they don't fire you. They make you want to leave. And by the time most people realize it, they've already been pushed out. At first, it's subtle. You're not invited to a meeting you used to attend. You assume it's a mistake. Then it happens again. Your manager stops giving you direct feedback. Not positive, not negative, just silence. Coworkers who used to include you start making decisions without you. You sit there thinking, did I do something wrong? At first, it looks normal. Maybe the company is busy. Maybe priorities changed. But then something feels off. Because it's not just one thing. It's a pattern. A slow shift. And you can't explain it, but you feel it.
And this is where most people make the biggest mistake. They ignore it. Workplaces don't always remove people directly. That creates conflict, legal risk, cost. So instead, they change your environment, your role, your visibility, your position, until leaving feels like your idea. And the dangerous part is, it works on people who are loyal the most. Sign 1, the slow disappearance. You're still employed, but you're no longer involved. Meetings happen without you. Decisions get made without your input. And when you ask, you get vague answers. Last minute. Didn't think you needed to join. At first, it feels small. But over time, you're no longer part of the room where things happen.
And once you're out of the room, you're out of the future. Sign 2, the silence from your manager. Before, you got feedback. Now, nothing. No direction, no correction, no growth conversations. Just distance. This isn't calm. This is disengagement. Because when a manager stops investing in you, they've already made a decision. And here's where it gets worse. Sign 3. Your work starts losing importance. You're still busy, still working, but your tasks feel smaller, less critical, less visible. You're no longer trusted with key projects. Instead, those go to someone else, usually newer, cheaper, easier to shape. Sign 4, the replacement pattern. At first, they bring someone in to help. You train them, you support them, you share everything. But slowly, they start doing parts of your role. Then things you used to handle completely. And suddenly, you're not needed the same way. And this is the moment most people realize it. But it's already too late. Sign 5. You start questioning yourself. This is the final stage. Not external, internal. You start thinking, maybe I'm the problem. Maybe I've lost my edge. Maybe I should leave. And that's exactly the outcome the system was designed to create. Now look at the full picture. You weren't fired. No confrontation, no explanation. Just a slow removal. From relevance, from visibility, from importance. Until leaving feels like the only option left. And this is why most people never fight it. Because they don't even realize it's happening. Here's the truth most people don't want to accept. Companies don't need to push you out aggressively. They just need to make you irrelevant. Because once that happens, you remove yourself. This isn't about panic. It's about awareness. Start noticing patterns. Are you included or excluded? Are you growing or being maintained? Are you visible or slowly disappearing?
Because once you see the pattern, you stop blaming yourself. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. The biggest mistake isn't being pushed out. It's not realizing it's happening while you still have time to respond. Because the invisible exit doesn't happen in one day. It happens slowly, quietly, until one day, you're already gone. You were never meant to stay. You were just meant to leave. Quietly. Subscribe if you want to understand what really happens inside workplaces before it happens to you.